Michael and I are taking Levi and Jesse and heading to Texas today to register our new game and a few other things. So we're heading out. The olders are staying here at the bus. They're gonna get some stuff done around here while we're gone.
No, Levi! No! Mama,
What?
I need a bomb.
Come on, it's in the cupboard. Bye guys.
Bye. We had a debate on who got punched in the stomach. I was right. I told you it was Jerry.
I thought I saw Melton do it, but I could picture Jerry saying, I want to be the first one to do it. Look at that!
This is how I make French toast. I have no idea the real way, but this is the way I do it. Let me know in the comments how you make French toast.
Squishy, 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 squishy.
I kind of wanted it to soak in a little bit more, but
Look, it just made a sound, so I think it's ready.
that is actually a really nice color. Why does the one side always look beautiful and the one side always gets burned?
Because you left it on for too long.
No, I left on the first side way shorter, longer? I don't remember. Alright, now this is where it gets to be gourmet. I just discovered this way of making French toast like yesterday. And it tastes amazing. So what you do, obviously you've got to have the peanut butter because the peanut butter is what makes the whole meal. You slather it on top of the bread. Once the peanut butter is on, you take a banana. This is the fun part.
Link to that video.
To that video. We just slice the bananas on top. I never do it in a fancy order because I rearrange them later. Half the banana on one. Half the banana on the other.
You're
As you
bad
can tell,
at
I'm not very
aiming.
good at aiming.
You
with
suck at
bananas.
aiming. Link to that video too.
Wait, that's a video?
Yeah, that's my video.
Oh, gorgeous. You can add molasses, but today I don't really want to go crazy. But what I find is that these end up making, because I'm putting like the peanut butter and the bananas on this, it gives it like a crepe kind of flavor, which tastes like a crepe.
I doubt it.
But Josh, you'll never know, because it's gluten bread.
What?
Hi.
Hi.
You know another great thing about living in a bus?
Is you can hear my alarm on my bed.
That's creepy. No, it's that you can sweep the floor 3 times a day and it only takes you 30 seconds every time.
And it only takes 30 seconds to get dirty again. What is an eggplant doing there?
Toby, you have way too much clothes.
My other's jersey. I'm keeping.
you doing?
Smoldering intensity?
Smoldering intensity.
It's been a while since we cleaned the top of the fridge, so I'm gonna do that. Okay. So the front of the bus always looks amazing, right? The back of the bus, that is another whole discussion altogether. And today we're going to change that. Oh dear.
Oh dear. Usually mine is made nice and tidy, but today I didn't want to, so.
This is the terrible rest of the bus. Like, it seems like the kids don't make their beds, so they don't use their blankets, so they just throw another blanket on top of their not being used blanket.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Emily sometimes decides to sleep in her bed, sometimes doesn't.
Alex's is actually probably the cleanest right now.
Yeah, that's interesting.
That's because-
And parents' bed is never made these days, so we're also going to make that. Okay, so far Alex is reorganizing his bed, all the toys. His bed's already made. It looks like Rebecca's going through all her stuff. I got the parents' bed nice and clean. Mom reorganized the clothes a while ago. The most difficult part, making the bed. And also organizing all of Jesse and Levi's toys over there. And yes, this is all their stuff all over the floor. Are you planning on getting rid of any of your stuff today, Bethany?
Yeah. Oh, that paper stuff is on the floor.
That's all yours?
Yeah, that's all mine.
Okay, now we're going to do Emily's bed, which looks like a disaster, but actually she can get hers cleaned up really fast because she doesn't have a lot of stuff.
It's her turn to clean. Wait, that's me?
No, it's not you.
What is it? It looks like a shirt with arms.
It's just fitting.
Do you like couches on your bed?
My bed isn't really disorganized. I don't really need to go through all my stuff. I've just been lazy lately, and my bed's never made. My dirty clothes are never put in the dirty laundry pile. Just like random stuff everywhere. So I'm mostly just kind of putting everything back where it goes. Toby is making a smoothie for the kids' lunch. And the kids are watching a movie.
How many kids do we have right now?
6? I think.
6?
Maybe a 6.
I'm just gonna go count them.
4! There's 4!
There's 4. There's me and you still.
Oh.
Sent home to their parents. So they
That's the bad guy. Yeah, I know. He's trying to almost catch me.
Left guard is supposed to cut block on that play. Otherwise, there's no hole for the running back. Our quarterback doesn't see the field. Did you used to tackle like that? I never tackled like that. I don't remember anything about playing football.